You ever went into one of those backwoods like little gas stations and they had the big jar of pink pickled eggs? Well, yeah, I always thought they looked gross, but honestly, like, what if it's just a color that's just setting me off? So I decided to make my own pickled eggs minus the red. So I'm just doing it real simple. I have some peeled garlic. I'm gonna add in some red pepper flakes and black peppercorns. I got my eggs, boiled eggs. I'm just doing 6. Hopefully they're good. And in here, oops. And in here I have 3 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, white vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of canning and pickling salt. So I'm just gonna add that. Okay. Come back in a couple days and we'll try these.